Rebecca and the Rebuild. Rebecca is a Southern Railway West Country and Battle of Britain class. Sometimes she has wheel slip problems, but she's usually just a really nice engine that really loves to have friends. One day, she was having those same problems. The next day, Rebecca was getting ready to... The next day, Rebecca was getting ready to get to do her jobs. She raced past the station. She couldn't believe it. Edward was worried. If this keeps up, then Rebecca might be sold or resold and brought back to her old railway. Since he was always worried about his friends, he always wanted to make sure they were okay and make sure that they were just having a good time on Sodor. Rebecca had no idea what to do. She couldn't really fix the problem. She didn't know how. Again, she started off pulling another train. It happened again. Wait, what's happening? No, not again! She derailed. It was happening again. It had happened again. Rebecca had no idea what to do. The day was back on track. Rebecca was heading towards the Knapford Dockyard, aka Brandon Docks. But then it happened. Oh no. Then there was trouble.
How about some tea?
The other engines were sad. They didn't know what would happen to Rebecca. Henry remembered what happened to him, and all the engines thought, what if what happened? Would she be scrapped? Until they heard a whistle. Rebecca was back. The engines were happy to see their friend Rebecca back in action.